Welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Valens Growworks Corp, and this is a very simple swinging chart. The chart is swinging higher and lower over a period of time. I would say the time frame is very low because in the last 5 years we have only 5 years worth of data, but in the last 5 years you have seen enough swings in this particular chart. So this is simply a swinging chart. You can find the edges and you can play or trade with it. So let us discuss about the opportunity we have here. But before that, if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button. Also hit on the notification bell along with the all button to get my updated video notification. Now, the primary thing to understand in this kind of stock here is the kind of movement it has shown in the past, or I would say in the very recent past, because as you can see how volatile the moves are. Okay, so this is the kind of volatility we have here in the overall chart. So what do you understand, or what you need to understand here is the risk factor is very high. Although the profit in short term can be very good if things works out, but the thing is, if market is not supportive and if you get the stock at the wrong end, then you will probably lose a huge amount of money from your investment amount. I'm not talking about the profit which you are going to make, but from the investment amount. So the risk reward is high and the risk is also high. So with this very important information, let us start analyzing this chart. So if you're looking at the lower end of the range, is very simple. What you need to do, you just need to be a discipline enough, nothing else. Okay, so here we are, 2.63, which is going to be your immediate support, as well as $2.4 is your stop loss. So these are the two levels which we must adhere, and we must not go below $2.4. At least we can do things like this. Okay, so our risk is very minimal if we can play in the same manner, if we are disciplined enough, if you do not take additional risk. So if the stock does not fall below $2.4, we are safe enough. We are not going below $2.4 and have any chances or have any trade below $2.4. Only if the stock continues to sustain above 2.6, we will have an uptrend higher. Only if the stock trade above 2.63. What do we have here? We have two primary targets to look at. Primarily we have 3.35 and then we have 3.59. So these are going to be the two targets, or let me increase it to 3 because all these are small ranges. So you have 3.39, you have 3.59 and you have 3.95. So these are the three primary targets which we are going to look at as far as the stock chart is concerned. And once it crossed this cluster, so right now the current cluster on the downside is 2.4 and 2.63. Because the stock is sustaining above 2.63, we have the next cluster or segment of target which will start from 3.35 and can go up to 3.95. And only if the stock surpasses 3.95, only if the stock surpasses 3.95, the next range will open up here, and the next target which we are going to look at is in between 5.89 and 5.62. So this is the next set of target. As you can see, we are moving higher. We are just playing with the swings, and this swing give us a range bound trend. Okay, so the range bound move ahead on the downside as well as on the upside. So beyond 6.22 there will be another range which is in between 7.8 and 8.3. So this is how the overall chart or overall trend looks like. And beyond 8.3 we have 10.14 and we do have $11. So the trend or the trade is very simple. What do we have is huge amount of volatility, and that is the only thing which you need to look at. That is the only thing which you need to take care of. And if things plays out accordingly, if the support level holds and slowly but steadily if the stock started moving higher, this swing can be very beneficial and you can make a good amount of money. But do not forget to take your profit, always trail your stop losses, and most importantly, do not go below the stop loss. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.